Well, hello everybody. Today is Saturday morning and the day before, Saturday before Labor Day, and we're fixing to go on a tractor ride. So I'm going to scan around here and show you a little bit of what's here, and then we're going to jump on the tractor and take off for a ride. Not too many here, but we're going to have a good time. And there's my old G over here, so I'm going to kind of fall in behind and get a few ahead of me, so that so we can see some of them go out. All right, up on the tractor now. We got a big 44 something there. John Deere, got some Molines, got some Farmall, got a good. Got a couple more Farmalls, go 464 International. Got a 50 John Deere up front. Number of side to side. And most importantly, we got a porta potty. So we're going to need that along the way. We don't have to worry about a rest stop. We can just pull in behind the porta potty. I'm going to pause y'all till we get going on the ride. I'll just get snippets of the ride. Okay, the ride has begun. Y'all go ahead. The ride is underway. Big mighty mow, another big mighty mow, something good, and a great old big tractor back there in the background. I'm going to fall in behind this little M right here. Big little M John Deere.